The federal government has taken control of Victoria's aged care crisis as 5 more people lose their lives to coronavirus. The state reported 357 new cases on Saturday. Authorities now making no promises about an end to lockdown.
536 of Victoria's senior citizens are now sick, staring down a life-or-death battle with COVID-19. The biggest coronavirus outbreak, now 74 cases at the one facility, St Basil's in Melbourne, enough to force Commonwealth authorities to step in, effectively taking control. First up, moving some residents out of harm's way.
That is a very important step forward in helping to coordinate, helping to ensure rapid response where these cases are occurring.
The virus has jumped containment lines, infecting the regions. 45 cases now linked to a Colac meatworks southwest of Melbourne. At the city's Saturday markets, social distancing was a stretch, while most of Melbourne has got the mask message.
Who's talking about fear? Who's talking about fear? Do you think I'm scared?
Not this guy.
I don't want to talk to you. I don't want to talk to you. Are you going to charge me? Are you charging me with anything? No, bro. Yeah, I do.
A blow-up in the Bunnings car park after he refused to wear a mask. Staff and customers calling police, who dished out a fine.
The person at Bunnings who won't wear the mask, they'll be happy to have the nurse in intensive care wearing a mask when they need help or a loved one needs help. It's just not too much to ask.
In the last 24 hours, a stubborn virus proved it will take a lot to budge. 357 new cases in Victoria. 5 people have died, aged from their 60s to their 90s. Of the new cases, a member of the Defence Force who caught the virus on the job at a testing facility. Today, colleagues were a show of force, door-knocking people with the virus.
Good afternoon, how are you?
Tracing contacts who may have also caught COVID. Melburnians who may have had August 20 circled on the calendar as the day restrictions, including school and work from home, come to an end, may need to think again. With infections yet to fall, today there were suggestions the city could be in for a much longer lockdown.
I don't think we'll be looking at opening up in a couple of weeks necessarily. We flagged that there was a 6-week, minimum expectation. We have to see what it's looking like as we get closer to August 19.
The day in this is like a month. I mean that seriously. The only thing we can be beholden to are the numbers.
Last night, a new ad campaign rolled out across Victorian TV screens.
Our daughter is on the front line and she's doing her job.
Appealing to a COVID-weary population to stay the course. A city where caution is becoming second nature, even if it's an overabundance of it.